Many of you will know that for a very long period of time, I was heavily involved in raising capital for early stage, high potential businesses. I was an ASOB sponsor. I was, really actively engaged in raising capital, and in particular, identifying smart capital, identifying talent that could join early stage, high potential businesses and really put them on the right footing and connect them in with the right people, and of course, raise that critical seed or Series A capital raising. I have joined up with my business partner and colleague, a long-standing friend of mine, Gordon Jenkins, who's extremely well known in business circles. He's got an investment banker style of background. He's been involved in a lot of capital raisings, corporate structurings, M&A, very, very complex raisings. And Gordon and I have known each other for a very long time, and we sort of felt that the timing was right to bring the A team back together and to really assist businesses that want to raise capital in these really, really challenging times. We know that sub 5 million range is incredibly difficult, and what you need is a sort of a business partner, an advisory firm that's going to be with you in the trenches and will see the capital raising through. Too many organisations these days just sort of pump opportunities out on emails and generic kind of lists to sophisticated investors. And unless you're prepared to really get on the phones and talk to sophisticated investors and family offices and high net worth individuals, you will not uncover those, important capital raising milestones. And it really is a case of having a very deep business network, a proven track record of raising capital, and of course, the real, ability to be in the trenches and be a genuine business partner and help raise that strategic capital. Our fee structure is incredibly fair and really sort of keenly adjusted to the market. It's mainly based on success with a small retainer, and we're really, really trying to get that capital raising away. So as a result, we only take on a very limited number of capital raisings. We have about half a dozen on the books at the moment, and we're going to work them all the way through to conclusion. And then we'll bring in another group of small clients that we're going to partner with in the second half of the year. I'm always willing to have a look at a pitch deck, give you an opinion, give you some advice. And of course, if we feel we have the networks and the relationships in place with the sophisticated investors, the high net worths, the ultra high net worths, we will look towards taking a mandate on and really supporting you get that critical capital. There's not many people in the space that are really successfully pulling those capital raisings off. We've been very, very successful in the first half of the year. We've literally raised millions of dollars for some absolutely fabulous businesses. And of course, I often personally get behind these businesses myself through my own family office and through, my desire to sort of help businesses solve today's very complex business challenges. So think of us as a bit of a unique boutique partner on the capital raising side of things. If you're a board director of a company that maybe is looking to raise capital, get in touch with me. We'd love to assist. And of course, we're expert in putting in place investor advisory boards, which can be absolutely crucial to giving the business confidence, seed capital, and of course, making it more attractive when you go to private equity or to family offices to raise larger amounts of capital.